Dear friends, today we are going to discuss one more project. The project name is Text Summarizer. To implement Text Summarizer, you must have prior knowledge about Python code, and Jupyter Notebook. Before we begin into the code part, we have to install some of the important packages. So you can see the top lines here. We have to install Transformer. We have to install TensorFlow, and we also install Streamlit. Okay. So TensorFlow is mainly for building a machine learning model, especially deep learning models. And Transformer is a Hugging Face transformer. It's used to implement pre-trained models. So I will show you what are the different Hugging Face models are available. And then is Streamlit. It is used to create a web page for our machine learning model. It's a simple package, but more powerful to create web page for your machine learning model. So we will move to the simple text summarizer to understand the complete code. I will go part by part so that you can able to understand the code clearly. So here I have a transformer package, the pipeline that includes different tasks of performing certain NLP task. Okay. So if I want to make text summarization, it includes tokenization, it includes cleaning, then it includes to summary of the given text. So all these tasks can be performed with a single line pipeline method. Okay. So in the pipeline method, I have to specify what type of task I'm going to perform. So in the transformer, Hugging Face transformer, there are different models are there. You can see here, there are different models are there. You can see different models. Okay. So multi-model is there, computer vision, we have different task is there, and natural language processing, you can see here. We have a different task. So in this task, I'm going to check only the text summarization. So you can able to see the different pre-trained models for text summarizations. Okay. So you can see here, different models are there. So we can use any of these model to perform the text summarization. Okay, so I will come back to the code. You can see here the task is summarization, and we have a sample text here. This you can take different sample text. For your understanding, I'm just taking simple paragraph. You can also take a lengthy paragraph in order to make a summary of the text. And we are going to perform the summarizing. Okay. So we have a summarizer. In the summarizer, I'm going to give the input is the text. This is our text. Okay. And how many number of tokens that we want, maximum number of tokens and minimum number of tokens that we want, that we can give it as an input. Once you perform the summary, the result will be stored in a variable summary, and you can able to print the results. Okay. You can able to see here, I have given the maximum length is 20 tokens, 20 words. So simple one line summary is our output. Okay. So you can check, you may ask the question, how it will perform the summary, because we have a pre-trained model. You can see automatically it will take a model. Okay. So the summarizer model, it will be taken automatically. You can also customize. You can also give what model that you want to perform summary. Okay. So we will check the code now. You can see here, we have a second part of the program. Here I have specified what model I'm going to implement for text summary. So here Facebook, BERT, large CNN, this is what we have on top. So you can also select any of these models in order to perform text summary. So I have taken this model, Facebook slash BERT, large CNN. And as usual, we have to specify what task we are going to perform and what model we like to use. And the sample text is taken. Once you apply all these things, we can able to get the result. The result here little bit length because we have we have specified here as 50 tokens maximum, so it will give a lengthy output. Okay, so next is we are going to see Streamlit. As I already explained, Streamlit is a web-based application. You can able to create a web interface for your machine learning model. To understand Streamlit, we have a sample program here. So the first line, we include the package Streamlit, and the nickname for the Streamlit is ST. And the web page, what will be the title? So you can specify the title of the web page, and you can have a simple input box. The purpose of the code is to calculate the square of a number, given number. Okay, so here we have a input box. Once you give the input value, so that value can be stored in a variable. When you press calculate button, okay, so it will perform a square of a number, given number. You can see how the output will be. Okay, so here I have a command to run your Streamlit application. Okay, our Streamlit application name is Streamlit demo.py. So Streamlit run Streamlit demo.py. So when I run this code, you can see, okay, so it will open our page. You can see here. So the title is simple square calculator. When I give 3, if you want to calculate the square, you can able to see the output in the below statement. Okay, it's a very simple package to create a web interface. Okay, so next is we will see summarizer. Okay, so we have to give a text box. In the text box, we are going to give a lengthy paragraph. Okay, so next is we have to click a button. That button will summarize the given text into the required uh, number of tokens. Okay, so this is what the overall idea. So I have a code here. You can see uh, the transformer, streamlet, everything as a first statement. Okay, so here pipeline task is the summarization. The model is this. Okay, and the title of the web page. Okay, so it's given, and we have a text box. Before the text box, we have a message to give input. Okay, so enter the text you want to summarize below. Okay, so we have to have a text area. In the text area, you can copy the text. Okay, so once you have an input, next is you have to perform a summary. So when you press the button, it will check whether you have a input. If there is an input, then it will perform the summary. So the summary is 50 tokens maximum and 20 tokens minimum. And the summary, it will be printed. Okay. If there is no input, it will display the message. Please enter some text to summarize. Summarize. Okay. So here I will run this application, Streamlit application. You can see. I think it takes some time. So let us wait for some time to display. I will close now and restart again because it takes time. So I will start the code and I will run it again. Okay, so let us see. It will not take much time. I don't know why it takes time here. So I will copy the same code in different browser so that we can see the outputs. I think the server is busy. Streamlet. Mm, have a different codes here. I mean, different browser. Yes, I think this also leads. Luckily, we get the output on the screen. So I will just copy the same text what we have already. So here you can see this is our text. So I just copy this text, paste it here. Okay, so then I'll click summary. So you can see here, it's a very good summary. We can get a output. Okay, so this is how the entire project is working. So you can also test the same project with the code. If you want to have the code of the complete exercise, you can mail me. I will show you my mail ID. So you can mail me. I will give you the sample code in order to implement the text summarizer. Okay. So I'll start the program now. So if you want to have the sample code, so you can contact me through this email ID. So I hope the complete session is useful to you. Okay. So please subscribe my channel uh, and also click the bell icon so that you can get whatever new videos are updated in every week. Okay. So thanks for watching. Thank you once again.